Hi everyone, I'm Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and welcome to another exciting unboxing video. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. In this video, we're unboxing the last collection of 2025, which is the Fairy Lake Beads Collection LITE. It's a LITE collection, so it's a smaller one as well, more focused, more project-driven, more affordable as well. I haven't seen it yet in person, so let's unbox it and let's see what is inside. In case you're new here, Eureka Collections are our exclusive palette of beads that we assemble based on an inspiration photo, which we launch every first Thursday of the month. And recently we started launching new LITE collections, which are smaller versions of our collections around the middle of the month on a Monday. And the great thing about Eureka Collections is that they're not a subscription, you just get whichever one you like. Alright, so this is the collection. Let me tidy it all up and we'll discuss each product individually. As we always do in our collections, we've included an inspiration picture for this one. By the way, did I mention even that the collection is called Fairy Lake Collection LITE? So the name is from this picture, and I actually love this picture so much. And in addition to the picture, you also get a very useful piece of paper. I always say that. And here in the front, there is an inspirational paragraph in addition to the picture. So you can look at the picture and then read this paragraph. And our main collection for December was all about the palette. And in here, I think it's all about the vibe. So it says, somewhere between waking and dreaming, the world softens. Colors blur into mist and light ripples across the waters like a quiet thought. In this land that belongs neither to reality nor to dreams, fairies linger in the hush of dawn, stirring in stillness with wings that catch the first glimmer of day. There is no rush, only calm, reflection, and the quiet magic of being suspended in a moment that feels endless. I really love this inspiration paragraph. I think this is one of our better ones, and it perfectly encapsulates and captures the vibe of this collection. And inside of here, really quickly, you can find a list of all of the supplies from the collection. You can find its name as well. So this is the Fairy Lake Collection LITE. And as you can see, there's 19 items. Each of them has a number. So if you like it, you can just look it up, see what it is, see what color it is, and then look at the SKU numbers. This is the easiest way to find this product at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. So you just enter the SKU number of the product that you like and want more of into the search bar on the website, and you can find more of these products. Wow, so this collection has a lot of really interesting items in it, but let's start as always with the seed beads, and you get 2 tubes of them. You get a full tube, or well, a 10-gram tube, because remember, Miyuki beads are packed by weight, so this is approximately 7.6 grams, and this is how much it is in the tube. Same for these. As you can see, also not full, though here you have approximately 10 grams. So you get a tube of Miyuki Delica beads, and this is opaque pale rose. It's a beautiful color that's going to bind everything together. It's going to look beautiful on those stones if you want to bezel them. And then the second tube is a mix of Miyuki 15-ohs, and this is called the Passion Flower Mix. And you get the exact same mix of colors in 8-0, and this is the exact same weight, so it's a 10 grams bag. So the only difference is that it's not in a tube, but it's also quite a lot of beads, definitely enough to create some beautiful beadwork. So these are the seed beads, and you also get a 10 grams bag of Preziosa Czech seed beads in Pearl Turquoise Jet Terra. It's such a beautiful color. It's, at first glance, you would say it's hematite, but it's this deeper purplish blue, slightly metallic color, and I really love it. And pretty of the seed beads are also very uniform, and they are even slightly more rounded and oval when you look at them from the side than Miyuki's, but they are quite similar and they can be used interchangeably with Miyuki's. Plus, this is a perfect dark color for this assortment, I think. And then there's one more item in the seed bead department. And these are those Czech twisted long bugle beads. They are 15 millimeters. So they're super, super long. Let me just get one out maybe. Yeah, they are super, super long. And they are twisted, so they're silver lined. And I think this is a perfect effect for when you have a twisted bugle. So actually, if you look at them like this, the cross section is actually round. It's not twisted. It's the inside that is twisted. So the hole is rectangular and it's twisted inside. It's such a beautiful effect. And it's silver lined so you can see it very well. They are beautiful. And this is silver lined turquoise green. And you get 8 grams of those. Next up, let's look at Czech glass beads, and I'll start with the tube that you get, and these are super duos. Here is the color on a tray. It's such a beautiful color. It's called Pearl Coat Steel Blue. These are mini duos, not super duos, so they are the smaller version of the duos. I think they're gonna be perfect here. Really love the color. It matches so well with the picture with this like dark blue water. Then you get these 2 strands. You get a strand of 2 millimeter round drag beads in suede gold fuchsia red. It's this beautiful, very vibrant pink color. And you get a 3 millimeter fire polish bead in the color milky pink. And this is a strand of 50. At 2 millimeters, it's a slightly longer strand. It's a strand of 100. I think these are 2 very different but very pretty pink colors. But wait, we're not done with the Czech beads yet because you get a full strand of baby bell flower beads. They are a little bit like a bead cap. They are this kind of flower cup shape. And these particular ones are 6 by 4 millimeters, and the color is glow green tanzanite, which you wouldn't be able to tell because the tanzanite is very well hidden. It's mostly like this iridescent green-blue color. It's beautiful color-wise. This is the absolute highlight of this collection. It's very beautiful, especially in real life. I don't know if it reads through the camera, but it's a very beautiful color. And this is a full strand of 50 of them. Finally, we have the crystals. And as per the usual, I'm going to start with our faceted rondelle beads. And these are so beautiful. This is teal metallic. They are 3 by 2 millimeters. And they sparkle so beautifully. Again, I'm going to take them out of focus for a bit so that you can see how the light reflects from them in all directions. So pretty. Then you get 2 packs of Krakovski Crystal bicones. And here you have the Caribbean waters. This is this beautiful teal and dark rose. So it's this kind of a little bit of a smoky, rosy pink color. And I can't say that this collection was inspired by them, but these 2 were definitely the first product picked for this collection because they are absolutely perfect with this picture and they're just so beautiful. So you get 2 packs and each of the packs is 72 beads. So they can certainly be a base for some beadwork. Here you get a lot of these bicones and they are really great quality for our affordable Krakovski Crystal brand. Finally, we have the stones and you get quite an interesting combination in this collection. So let's start at the bottom. You get 6 of the 8 millimeter chaton stones in the color deep sea blue. Very pretty. In the same color, you get 2 12 millimeter rivolis. And then in a slightly different color, this is like the true blue zircon. You get this 13 by 18 millimeter oval stone. So these colors, they're slightly different. These are more bluish, and this is more like leaning towards teal. But I think this one will be perfect for a pendant. And out of these, why don't I try making earrings? What do you think about this idea? Finally, you get 2 of these brand new stones. These are 14 millimeter round stones in light rose lotus. So if you notice inside there, in addition to your regular back that you have, it has a foiled back, but the cut is slightly different, especially in the back. And they have these engravings that look like a lotus flower. That's why there's lotus in the name. And this looks absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, there can be some variants. This one has a slightly more pronounced etching on the back. And this one has just a more delicate pattern there. But they both look very, very beautiful. And I think they are a super interesting addition to our round stone selection. What do you think? Do you like this, or is it a complete no-no for you? Let me know in the comments. Finally, let's talk a little bit about the findings. Let me get them out of their bags. So what you get is just a basic set that will allow you to create several beaded pieces and complete them with those findings. So you get 2 clasps, one that is kind of a classic lobster clasp in platinum color. So this is kind of silver, but it's slightly different than like a regular silver. It's very, very shiny, that I can say. And this clasp also has 2 jump rings so that it's easier to attach your beadwork and then close the clasp over your beadwork. And then you get a more interesting clasp, and it's double-sided, by the way. So this is a beautiful rose-shaped magnetic clasp. It's also platinum plated. It's very strong. Oh my goodness. It has a little magnet in here in those little pegs that ensure that it's secure. And when it's secure, it is secure. So you just have to kind of force it open. It's probably going to get easy with the bracelet actually attached. But it's not only pretty, it's also quite strong. So it's good for a necklace or a bracelet. Then finally, you get 2 pairs of those quite large earring hoops. And to be honest, they can be interchangeable. So you make just 1 piece of beadwork, and then you open this earring, and then you put the beadwork on, and then take it off whenever you're finished wearing it. So that's actually pretty practical. And that's been our mid-December Fairy Lake LITE collection. It's the last one in 2025, and oh boy, what a year it's been. We just started launching our LITE collections this April. It was such a blast, and I'm really looking forward to 2026 full of more incredible and unique collections. And I can't wait to design jewelry with them for you to share with you in our tutorials that we post on our channel. You will find this collection as well as all of the individual supplies at eurekacrystalbeads.com. A full list of all of those beads will be linked down in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!